I just want to say an incredibly heartfelt thank you to the 34 young leaders who came together in this Brain Health Innovation Olympics. After an 8-week process where over 30 business concepts, all of which we should do, were discovered by these students from all over the world, 6 concepts were picked and mentored through to a final competition. Today, you'll hear what the results are, but I have to tell you that these young people already have changed the world. All of their concepts, we heard you, we asked for your help. We have a global coalition of close to 100 leaders from all over the world who are listening, and we are going to put your ideas into action. So I can't wait for you to hear all the ideas these amazing young leaders have, and I'm looking forward to supporting them together with you.
My late wife's family had 3 generations affected by Alzheimer's.
It's such an enormous, world problem, and it's not one that's getting solved anytime soon.
How do we make sure they're eating correctly? How do we make sure we're monitoring them?
I believe in the partnerships that you solve problems like this, not in isolation, but as part of broader teams.
This issue is very personal to me and our team because my brother Wesley and I, who are both on this team, lost our dad to early onset dementia less than a year ago. And we are inspired to do anything in our power to decrease neurodegenerative diagnoses and make it easier for family members to have someone with a neurodegenerative disease.
We saw that with the silver tsunami, 150 million people will be affected by dementia in 2050.
Developing a global probiotic-based food and beverage line, potentially partnering with Sodexo.
Partners that we are aiming for are reputable companies, universities, healthcare providers, and experts.
Insight is the opportunity to capture the emerging market of psychedelic-assisted therapies.
Cognition in the Kitchen provides patients and their networks a central location to learn about and track brain health. Insurance, doctors, assisted living, children, partners, and more stakeholders listed on this slide are all things we dealt with as a family due to my dad's diagnosis.
Neurodegenerative diseases are rapidly increasing, and diet might be part of the cure.
User functions of our app are to track dietary intakes and receive personalized recommendations to improve brain health.
From a financial perspective, we will look to generate revenue through fees for partners advertising through the app, fees for premium versions for hospitals and corporate entities, fees for customized versions for insurance companies, as well as Medicare reimbursement.
Our opportunity that we have would be to integrate with other health tracking apps such as Eternity. So this is kind of tracking sustainability in the food space at this point.
Imagine a real solution that can resolve all these challenges and coordinate whatever you have and whatever you need into one user-friendly service and experience.
So here's a visual glimpse of an all-in-one integrator and really how it could create seamless user experience with both owned and also home health tech solutions that connect people to their communities.
Neuralink is a connector. More than a bracelet, it's a lifeline. Beyond the product, Neuralink certification raises the bar for dementia care. Our rating system, represented by 1 to 3 forget-me-not flowers, becomes the gold standard for dementia-friendly spaces.
Mind Home 360 is poised to redefine healthcare as we know it. Our AI algorithm offers unmatched behavioral analysis accuracy.
The Brain Accelerator is something which will basically function as a Y Combinator or an investment channel for medical research.
Because quite frankly, I was shocked to learn there is a deficit of information that they have. It's not a priority.
Excellent presentation, thorough, actionable.
How much synergy there could be.
Amazing, the presentation.
To everybody, I thought it was really inspiring, and I'm grateful, honestly grateful.
So thanks again.
Thank you, Alba and team.
Thank you.
Congratulate all of you for the time and energy. Create a better future for our spouses and our loved ones.
Thank you for this conversation.
So thank you guys for your great thought on this, and thank you to all the teams.
So Keep up the great work, and thank you.
I think it shocked us all, so we know it can be done.
Indian Institute of Technology, your business and your financial savvy came through so beautifully. The Welingkar School, the smart home tech is so critical. Ames, your concept was innovative. Calgary, wow. Integrator concept is so comprehensive. Dartmouth, you wowed Sodexo from the start. Thank you. And Harvard, your structure and your approach was impeccable.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and every other family who has been so affected by neurodegenerative diseases. We know that together we can change the outcomes, that what we do every day matters, that the numbers are staggering with over 55 million, which is a very underreported number of people suffering with neurodegenerative diseases, not to mention all of their families and caregivers. And that number is going to double in the next 20 years if we don't do something. So now is clearly the time to come together. At Social Impact Partners, we are committed to collaboration, innovation, and investing in the future. Thank you so much.